Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. 1 in 4 Americans think that sun goes around the earth. The inventor of Vaseline used to eat a spoonful of it every day. Albert Einstein never wore any socks. There's a tree in Pakistan which was arrested by a British army officer in 1898. Scientists made a new wooden steak knife and it's 3 times sharper than stainless steel. Male elephants will often use their pennies as a fifth leg to support their weight. Mount Everest has its own 4G network so the trekking people can live stream it. Pineapples in the 1700s were worth over $8,000 in present day currency. People would literally rent them to flex at parties. Rabindranath Tagore with Albert Einstein in 1926. Millions of trees are accidentally planted by squirrels who bury nuts and then forget where they hide them. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. In 2011, Jennifer Kristen Harris burned down the house of her best friend who unfriended her on Facebook. Dad had only 6 months left. Son gave new life by donating his 65% of liver. When you look up at the blue sky and see little white dots flying around, you are actually seeing your own white blood cells. There's a village in Japan named Fox Village and it is full of foxes that run around and play together. Artist spends 2 years creating a sculpture of Nefertiti using a 3D frame and 60,000 honeybees. Scientists developed a tiny sensor for your teeth that can track the food you are eating. Indonesian man becomes instant millionaire after meteorite crashes through roof worth 1.4 million euros. There are more living organisms in a 1 teaspoonful of soil than there are people alive on earth. Man kills neighbor who repeatedly asked him, "When are you getting married?" Morning saliva is rich in healing, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and can help treat style, pimples, acne, etc. A man who drives his father's car is not entitled to speak in a council of men who owns his own bicycle. In Cambodia, rats are being trained to sniff out landmines. 8 out of 10 women think that the first kiss will tell them everything they need to know about a relationship. Dubai is planning to tow 2 icebergs right from Antarctica to UAE. Drinking water before bed helps to improve skin tone. In India, if a gas cylinder blasts during the cooking of food, then the gas agency is liable to pay Rs 50 lakh to the victim as compensation. Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest natural flower garden in the world. The world's largest functioning toothpick sculpture and its creator Scott Weaver. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.